Super urgent update for you about crypto, because you saw that Trump lied to every person. They told about Bitcoin reserve, but you can see how price dropped so much. And let me explain to you what's the reason why BTC and many other coins did significant drop. And after that, what we can do the next. About BTC, BTC retested this massive volume point of control and did pull back. Why does that happen? Because if you know, quite a lot of people manipulated BTC because they built position. As you know, there are some people who took inside trades before Trump announced that there would be Bitcoin reserve. And based on that, there was this massive pump. And you can see that all people that bought BTC here, what happened to them? They got trapped, and at this moment most of their stop losses were taken out here during this drop. What can be the next? Globally, BTC still follows this major plan. You can see here BTC retested CME gap. BTC bounced from the CME gap, and after that BTC retested point of control of this entire range. And at this moment, BTC dropped exactly from point of control of that massive range. What's next? Right now, we have really powerful reaction down from this point of control, and trend still go on. Next, really powerful support on BTC, it is value area high of this entire range. That means at this moment, we are between two major areas, a major area here and major area here, and trend at this moment down. That's why we must trade trend until it breaks. Yesterday in a video, you can see here on BTC, I shared with you this one, that I would become best option to take short in two cases, in taking higher high. It was here, in taking higher high. As you can see, price didn't reach it. That was exactly a signal that I shared with our community to take short at 96. Really sad. Price was really close to take it, and price didn't do it. And second option for short, it is of course in a case if price breaks below first deviation, and first deviation became as an important resistance as it was here. At this moment, you can see that price broke below this first deviation. And at this moment, it would be really good if BTC would create range. And after that, there would be some drop into this key zone. That's why at this moment, best what can be, it is a range, because it is too late to take short. Your stop loss must be too big. About any bullish pattern, remember a golden rule, you follow the trend until it breaks, because at this moment, there is no signal for trend breaking. And better to wait it appears. In what cases for me would be a signal that trend is breaking? Only in a case, for example, price take low, here there would be massive absorption, and price after that, we will have clear bullish structure. This one would be the best for me, a signal that we finally become bullish. And because in some cases, price can reverse before this key zone. It's not like guarantees that they must take it. It's likely, chance big, but sometimes they do reverse before it. That's why, what's our plan? If price consolidate here without taking lows, our priority to look entry for continue, to take swing low and test this key zone. If price drops without any consolidation, here or here, we look for long. What about Ethereum? Let's cover also Ethereum. Before I ask you, my friend, to support me with your like and go follow me on Telegram, because every BTC update, every free lesson that will help you understand the market, you will get here absolutely for free. Follow me right now there. What about Ethereum? Let's cover Ethereum, Solana, and Ripple. Ethereum, yesterday, honestly, I waited. You can see this trading plan, which I shared to our community. I thought about some local rise from this key zone. You can see at this moment, Ethereum didn't do any reaction on that key zone. Have a look at this key zone. It was first deviation. Why we paid attention to that area? Because there was a beautiful reaction here. And often such areas if they played out before, they often can play out as a powerful support resistance. It's a dynamic volume profile, by the way. But you can see that price did bigger drop. Price took swing low, plus retested this second deviation of VWAP. Also, pay attention. On Ethereum, there was massive sell-off on a spot. There was massive delta, minus 100 mil on 1 hour candle. On 2 hour candle altogether, there minus 136 mil exactly here at bottom. Someone big already got liquidated on Ethereum. Someone really big. That's why what we need to remember on Ethereum is the trend at this moment down, and we don't have a clear signal the trend is over. But at this moment, price already dropped too far to take any short. That's why what at this moment we do, in a case of local range and especially some trap at low, we can try to take long trade. In the case of retest anchored VWAP, it is our place, it is priority at this moment to for a short trade. We follow this downtrend until we have a clear structure change. Example for you, what's a structure change? At this moment, we have like this one, price follow down. And after that, we have at least few higher highs. In only that case, for us, it would be a signal the structure changed. And finally, we became bullish. That's why at this moment, once more, what about Ethereum? In a case of local range, at range low, we can try to take long against this trend because price overextended down and there was massive delta out. At reaching VWAP or creating some range high, we still must consider short until we prove the trend really become bullish. About Solana may be only one coin where I was really confident that there would be a significant drop. There was only one difference on Solana. I thought that there would be, that Solana, I shared with you 2 key zones. For me, I only waited for a better entry. Also with our community, I shared a key area where I wait for a short on Solana. It was exactly this higher level 182 or 195 because I thought there would be at least some bigger bull trap, but that volume was already enough. You can see this massive volume spiked. Delta on a spot 170 mil. On futures is 178 mil, which a lot, and massive volume traded exactly into a high. Honestly, what's my plan? That there would be some additional stop loss hunt. And after that, there would be this massive and beautiful drop. You can see that all of this stuff didn't happen. What about right now we can do with Solana? You should understand that price already did massive drop. Price did a drop by 24%. It is too late to take any short. What about right now? Trend still down, but we have these 2 key areas which I mentioned in a previous video. It is 115, 80, 80. It is still these key areas. It is the best place where we need to consider taking long. Right now, better to wait for consolidation, and at the range high, we look for short with a target into one of these key zones. Better after consolidation, because right now, stop loss size must be too big. And a few words about Ripple. Ripple, the same as with other coins, I waited to take in high. You can see this time they didn't do it because sometimes you can see what they do. They retest key zone and create beautiful range. And you have plenty of time to take a position. For example, here, you had the time, you have 3 days to take position. Example here, when price reached this key zone and created a range. Here, they give you 3 days to take a position. Even here at high, they retested key zone within so many days, and you had so many opportunity to set limit take position. But when they do all of this stuff super fast, if you're not at computer, that's it. That's gone. You didn't take it. That's why don't FOMO at this moment. It's okay if you missed it. About Ripple, same as with many other coins, price should create a range, and only after that, like this one, or like this one. After that range high, we will use as opportunity to take short the first major target, $2. If there would be opposite, for example, price slowly would go down without any range, only at $2, it would be possible to consider some long trade. Globally, pay attention that Ripple, compared to many other coins, did massive pump, and there a lot of space to drop. And I wouldn't surprise if Ripple would drop below 170. I think after such a volume spike manipulation, Ripple can drop below 170. That's why wait for a range. What you do right now, best what you can do is to watch this video lesson about my strategy to understand how to use ranges, because remember, when there's such volatility, it's difficult to take good trade and you can get too much FOMO. You don't need it. You need good patterns that really works. Watch it and see you soon.